Hello friends, welcome to Krushi's Diaries. Today we are going to make edible paint colors for toddlers, children and even adults could play around with it. So let's get started. Take a bowl, a spoon and in a separate bowl take some curd. You can either use homemade curd or the market brought ones, but please make sure that the curd is thick. Please see the consistency here. This consistency is quite fine. So if you want, you can take some more, but this is quite enough. Now mix well. Mixing is the key. After mixing, this is the consistency we get. This looks quite watery. Now let's take all-purpose flour. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and let's mix it in the curd. And now mix well. Now let's start mixing. Keep mixing till there are no lumps found in it. See, this is the consistency we got. But still this is a bit flowy. See, you can see it. It is a little bit flowy. It's thicken enough but a bit flowy. Now let's add some more corn flour to it or all-purpose flour. Fold it and mix well. See, there is a thick drop formation now. So this is the perfect consistency we require. Mix for some time and it's ready to go. Now let's take this batch. You can directly refrigerate it and use for coloring later on, or we can do it now. Use an ice tray or any palette knife tray or palette tray which you have for this. So now let's fill the mixture in the tray. Fill each sections. Ta-da! It's ready. Now make sure you leave some of the sections, and the reason I'll tell you later. There is a bonus tip at the end of the video. So first let's take turmeric. You can see this is turmeric. 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric you need to take. See this yellow we have got, a very bright yellow, a vibrant one. Next we are going to make green color from spinach puree. To make spinach puree, take some spinach leaves, put it in a mixie, add a little bit of water and grind it. So after this we can add it to our mixture and mix well. Okay, this looks watery, but after preparation it becomes quite thick enough. If you require, you can add some all-purpose flour to it. See what a vibrant green it is. Yellow and green are ready. So now let's make red. For this we need a beetroot puree. For this you need to take a piece of beetroot, add a little bit of water and grind it in a mixie. Now mix well. You can even use some chunks of beetroot, very slight chunks. So this is a pinkish red color we got out of this. So this looks really cool. So the next colors we are going to make using edible colors which are available in the market, so that we will be able to make all these colors which are edible and even good enough. So see, this is the black color of Sugarine brand. I have taken 2 drops. I'll put the link in the description. See, we have received a beautiful grey, a little bit darker version of grey. Okay, now let's go for the pink color. It's a bright pink color. This is quite thick. Okay, so after mixing this, we are getting a very lovely Barbie pink color. You can see this clearly. It's a Barbie pink color. See? Next we are going to use the skin color. From this one color we can make two different colors out of this. Here I have used 2 drops and see what bright color it will give. See, this gives us a really red color, a bright red color, a blood red color which we see. See how red it is? So that looks lovely. Now let's keep one as white is also important, and white color could be mixed and matched with other colors. Now next I am taking 1 drop of the skin color. Mix well and it gives us a beautiful peach color. See, from one color we got 2 different colors. 1 drop gives peach and 2 drops gives bright red color. See? Now here I am taking blue color. It is of a different brand and I have taken a little bit, and after mixing, see, we have received a beautiful copper sulfate sky color blue. Ready with different colors. So here comes the bonus tip. So take some red we made and take a little bit of yellow from the turmeric which we made. Now mix well. So now you come to know why we have kept those sections empty there. So mix well, and this gives us a very beautiful orange color. You can see it's an orange, perfect orange color, the fruit color. See? So in the same way, we have 2 more sections empty. You can try mix and match colors and create different colors. Okay, so this is ready. Now let's check how to store. I have used a cling foil wrap. If you want, I'll put the link in the description box below. Please do check. After covering it, please place it inside the refrigerator. Do not put it inside the fridger. And whenever your child or you feel like painting, remove it at least 20 minutes before painting so that it's not chilled enough. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.